Welcome to the channel. As you can see from the title, I'm going to do an unboxing video of this Husky Tireinflator. It's 120 volt, so it's going to plug into the wall like this wall here. And it's got a different connector. See how on the package it's got this little clamp-on connector where this one screws on. So this is my, and the reason it's here is because it's not working quite right. But that's my slime, which I bought at Walmart. I like it a lot. Unfortunately, the connector is not working for some reason. I don't know why. I've owned a number of these, and not this, but Tireinflators. And that's always what the problem has been. What connects to the valve stem stops working. So let's take a look at this now and start unboxing. Let's get the slime Tireinflator out of the way for a moment here. It is very nice. I like it. I would recommend it. Unfortunately, it stopped working. So here is the Husky Tireinflator. So I always like doing these unboxing videos. So you just turn it around here. Hopefully I'm not getting the camera shot. Oh, wait, the thing. It's got a little thing to undo it here. All right. Now I will tell you from doing this, it is very heavy, unusually heavy for some reason. I don't know why, but it is. So on the package you can see it's plug it in the wall like I just showed here, and it's got that little connector there. I do like it a lot. So I didn't know if I wanted to carry this around with me, but I will. I do like this a lot. If any luck you can see this, I can't see the monitor here. So here's what it looks like. I don't see any owner's manual in here, come to think about it. Oh, here it is. It's on the side. So there is an owner's manual, which I will check out here before the video is over, and I'll do some final thoughts at the end. But yeah, I like doing the unboxing video. And I got this in February. It was kind of Black Friday. It was $29.88, which I thought was not a bad price. Wish it would have been $19.88. I guess it was, and I just missed it, unfortunately. So I bought this at Home Depot. I bought it in February, and it's November now. So the reason I'm using it is because this one, I can't get this to connect to the valve stem. So that's why I'm doing that. So this one's a 12 volt, where you can just plug it into your socket in your car, which probably would be what I want to get next time. So yeah, this was $29.88 Home Depot, and it's November, so maybe we're going to see some Black Friday deals shortly, and maybe it'll be less. So the model number, from what I can tell, is H120N. No, H120N, excuse me. It should be in the description. So I haven't got it plugged in, and there is a drawback to this one, which I looked at it online. I kind of knew when I bought it, but I seen someone else talking about it. It's got a very short cord. It's like 17 inches long to plug into the wall, which you probably can't see it on camera here. So it's not going to reach my tire, so I'm going to have to get an extension cord or park it closer to a outlet near work, a 120 outlet. So here's the controls here. See, it says Husky, nice. Oh, it's got a light here, I didn't mention that. So you can turn the light on if you want. But yeah, you got the on-off switch light right there. Then if you want to raise it there or lower it there, the pressure, that raise and lower that pressure. Got extra valve stem caps, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, here you go. Extra valve stem caps in case you lose one. Although if you're taking it off your car, you can always put it in here. That's not a bad idea. So on the side you have, well, let's go to the back first. So in back you have these little rubber footies, so when you're on the ground, these things are going to vibrate like crazy. Hopefully it won't move too much, but I can tell you from having Craftsman, I've had the Craftsman brand that was much like this one as opposed to the slime, which I really like this one a lot. Like I said, it's got a nice light here. When you turn them on, this will vibrate also, but when it's pumping, it vibrates. This one here, I don't know how this is going to be until we do it, pumps really, really quick. So I'm going to see if I can get this to work anyways later. I don't know how this is going to go, but the Craftsman that I had, which is similar to this, although this is way heavier, did vibrate like crazy, and it took a little longer to fill up the tires. So I do this, I'm in Chicago. In fact, I'm right across the street from Cubs remote parking right now, that's where I live. I've filled the tires up when it's been freezing out, when it's warm out, and when it's freezing out, it's hard to put any of these on. But over here is where you have the cord that you connect to the, ooh, good thing I got the towel on the car. I really jerked there, just now. So here's the connector I'm talking about right here. So that's nice. I don't know how it's gonna work. I don't know how long it's gonna last, I should say. I know how it works. So yeah, just put it on your valve stem, pull this, and it'll lock it in place. So it'll be locked in there. So this is, I forgot how long this was. I know the AC cord was 17 inches. So I don't know what this is. So I'm just gonna put this back in here because we're not gonna do the demo right now because I am gonna demonstrate this. Like I said, I like doing unboxing videos. Well, this goes in here pretty nicely. Okay, so you got a nice carrying handle in case you need it. Let's see, what was on this side? I forgot. Oh, yeah, the power cord. Look how short that is. Gosh, I hope this is all on camera. This is extremely short. You're gonna need an extension cord. So that's what you're gonna do. Plug it right into the wall. Gonna have to have an extension cord. I'm gonna try it at work because we have light poles right next to parking spots, so I can get the car onto the side right by the tire here. So the reason I'm opening this up, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I never brought it into the house to do the video. But yeah, I can't get this to work, and one of my tires is low. I have other ways to fill it if I didn't have this, but I do want to use this. So I'm gonna put this back on. Everything goes back in place pretty nicely. Then on this side, I think is where they keep the, little attachments. So I think this is for like an air mattress. I'm not sure if it could be used for something else. And then this is for like pumping up a ball, like a tennis ball, not a tennis ball, like a volleyball or a soccer ball or something like that, where you have the little connectors. This is how you would do it, insert it onto the thing. Oh, it goes the other way. All right, I'm not gonna pull it off. I'm having a hard time while I'm holding this. If I wasn't holding this, it'd be easier. So next thing, let's try and do a demo of this. So the light would be nice when you're outside, because I have done this in the dark. Okay, so I can't do it here right now because the cord is so short, but I will do that. I'll bring the car somewhere else, maybe to my house. I'm at my condo right now. That's where I'm in the garage of the condo. I'll bring it somewhere else and we'll demonstrate it. We'll see how it works. Set the tire pressure for whatever car you have. I got a couple cars. And we'll see how it works. And, that's right. The other reason I like this is it has auto shut off. So you preset your tire pressure. So on this jet, I think I'm gonna make it 32 pounds per square inch, so PSI, and turn right off. So it's gotta be below that right now. And you can't see the whole car, but it's a Volkswagen Jetta. So let's go and do a demo. Okay, now it's time to demonstrate the Husky Tireinflator, the H120N. So I'm gonna put it on the ground, and then we'll plug it in. Let's see what happens. Come on over here with the camera. Shoot the Tireinflator, not me. Oh, forgot to plug this in. Okay, see the cord is really short. So just plug it in. There we go, it lit up. Come on over, can you see this? Okay, come on, stand right here so we can show the folks at home. So see, it just lit up. It wasn't like that before. Okay, good. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put the quick connect on here, and then we'll put it on here. This is, okay, so it has 25.3 pounds of pressure. What I want to do is put 32, so you use these arrow keys here to increase it. So, okay, it's taking a little bit of time. There we go. Oh, you can hold it down, okay. Okay, so then you press this button here, the start button. Okay, and it's pumping it up. Okay, that's it. So let's try out the light. We haven't done that yet. I haven't tried it out yet. Oh yeah, so the light works. It's hard to tell because the light out right now. Okay, let me turn that off. So that's how you do it. Let me undo this here. That was quick, much quicker than I thought. That was a demonstration of the Husky Tireinflator. Here's the one that I normally had. It was the Craftsman Tireinflator. Same thing, 12 volt. Well, this one's 120. This is the one I had for the longest time. I had to replace them numerous times. And it has the same kind of quick connect that the Husky has. See right here how it's got the quick connector here? Hopefully you can see that on camera. Okay. And the problem I had with these Craftsman Tireinflators were that these kept breaking, this quick connect. I don't know if it will on here. I mean, that was only the first time I ever used it, but I do like it. It pumps really quick. So I would definitely recommend this Tireinflator if you can get it. So the other one you've seen in at the beginning of the video, the slime, that one I still couldn't get it to screw back onto the valve stem cap. So these quick connects, I like them a lot. Don't know how long it's going to last, but the pump lasted forever. It's just the connector. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely recommend this. It works good, but you're going to need the extension cord, as you can see here. Otherwise, it will not work. This is just not long enough. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks a lot for watching.